I think my model plane's here. I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna grab my scissors. Please be my model plane. I'm going to open it, but I will not look inside. Okay, now I got that paper with the address out of there. Okay, they packaged this very well. Okay, I'm closing my eyes. I don't know if you guys can see it. Okay, you can't. I'm going to open this part up, and then I'm going to take off the packaging tape, and I'm just hoping it's my model plane. Okay, I'm going to close my eyes now. It is! I just hope it's not broken. Looks like it's good. Okay. Okay. On the box, you can see the 3D image. It has a330-900. Then there's the Delta logo, Sky Team, 1/400 scale die-cast model aircraft. Look inside, tab, Gemini Jets logo, made for collectors by collectors. Adult collectible model, warning, contains small parts, unsuitable for children under 14 years of age. Another 3D image. 1/400 scale die-cast model, item number, Gemini Jets, little box damage there, a330-900, image of the aircraft. You can pause and read. 2019 Gemini Jets Las Vegas, Nevada, USA release. As real as it gets, which is not, I think NG is better. Okay, detailed, super realistic metal landing gear, detailed printed graphics. As real as it gets, features high collectible. Okay. Side. Look and tab. It has there. You can pause and read that. Okay. Just pulling up my stand a little bit more. It's in there pretty good. I hope this one's better than my last one. Okay, I'm gonna go get a book. I'll just put it on my chest. There. Let's put it. Oh, the top part came off straight away. They have 3 of these. They must have not wanted this to come broken again. Looks pretty nice. It's not broken actually. Gemini Jets actually did good with this one. Okay. Just gonna put these papers back where they belong. This one, where's the top? Oh, it's right there. Okay. Let's dive in. At the front of the aircraft, we have the cockpit windows, Delta titles. We have one antenna. We have the door, SkyTeam logo, some windows. No antennas at the bottom. We have the front landing gear. We have the engine. We have the super nice winglets. We have the flats and slats. We have the red navigation light right there. We have the back antennas. We have the registration and the American flag. The registration is November 401 Delta Zulu. I think it's Zulu. At least then you have the back door. The engines are really nice on this model. You can see inside. I'll turn on the light. As you can see inside. Okay, let's check if the landing gear are broken. This landing gear rolls. This side does not. I heard they're supposed to tilt, but mine doesn't. You have the really nice Delta logo. It looks really nice because it's shiny, and then it's this flat Delta. See? This is going to make a good model to my collection. It's a super nice color. Let's check out the other side of the model. This side does not have the, this side should have cargo doors. Okay, so you have one cargo door on the back. Okay, there. You have one cargo door on the back. You have a nice Delta belly, Gemini Jets logo, landing gear bays. There's no landing gear doors. Here's what it looks like. It's not broken this time. I'm really glad about that. I don't see any defects right now. Tell you guys later if I find one. But right now I have not found any. So that'll be it for today. See you all in the next one. Goodbye.